Hey girlfriends, I just wanted to jump on here really quickly and chat with you for just 1 minute about dry shampoo. So if you are not a dry shampoo user, I'm going to teach you a little trick in regards to this. So this is Fresh Hair by Kevin Murphy. I really love this. It just takes away those oils and it doesn't make it super powdery. But as you should know with all dry shampoos, you want to shake them really, really well. And then, so I have freshly cleaned hair. I just washed my hair last night and curled it and everything today. And so it hasn't got time to get any of those oils in it. So I'm going to take it and just spray it in right at my scalp. This is freshly clean hair. So the magic of this, and then I kind of go up in here a little bit too. So, and then just like really rub it in super, super well. So the magic of dry shampoo is putting it in before the oil actually becomes present in your hair. So that way, whenever it attacks your hair, the product instantly starts to work and you don't have to deal with that grittiness or the stickiness that sometimes you feel like dry shampoo does to your hair. It will just instantly keep it really nice and you should be able to last like one more day before you need to add more dry shampoo. And I find that because I was never a dry shampoo user, this has really changed my world into really, really loving dry shampoo. And one little hack that we kind of recently learned is that mid-afternoon when you're at work and you're kind of getting a little shiny on your face, you can kind of just like alight this over your face and it takes off all those oils. So give it a try. If you're not a dry shampoo user, shoot me a DM and I would love to guide you through how to make it work. So follow my tips.